Are you hungry? DoorDash Air.
Really?
Yes. Are you tired of waiting for your food to arrive? Do you want your groceries delivered as soon as possible? Well, the future of food delivery is here, and it's called DoorDash Air. It's a new service that comes via a partnership with DoorDash, the actual food delivery company, drone company, also called Wing, and the shopping centre in Mirvac. The shopping centre called Mirvac. This is launched in Queensland, and it covers households in a dozen or so suburbs at the moment. Wing has also established a hub for drone deliveries in Mirvac's Orion Springfield shopping centre in Ipswich. So the new operations centre makes it possible for local restaurants and retailers using the DoorDash platform and the Wing's delivery drones to send food and essentials to households further afield. So obviously having this base, then it gives them that next level of drop going forward. It's a very small group of people that immediately benefit from this severely gimmicky opportunity, but it's a sign of the future, I think, when drones will deliver food. And look, hey, it's super cool, right? Drones can carry a payload of up to 1 kilo, and they can travel up to speeds of 100 kilometres an hour. The service is expected to expand, obviously.
I remember when a guy in the US got busted or fined because he got a drone to go and pick up Maccas from a local Macca's. So how times have changed.
Yeah, well, just need to license it and make it a legal thing to do. So
wow.
Fantastic stuff.